Presenting the Digitek DTR 520BH tripod cum monopod. The box contains one tripod and a carry bag. This black, lightweight and sturdy tripod weighs 1.47 kilograms with the product dimension of 49 by 12 by 12 centimeter. This tripod is compatible with small lens cameras. The multi-purpose head helps to shoot low-level shots and gives seamless panning. It also suits the DV camera. The bubble head of the tripod detects the horizontal position of the camera and helps to adjust accordingly. The aluminum alloy legs with non-slip rubber feet include 3 flip-up locks for adjusting the height of each leg in seconds, which works great in outdoors on an uneven surface. The height can be adjusted according to our convenience, from a minimum height of 320 mm to a maximum of 1510 mm. The folded height of 445 mm creates a short, compact size which makes it easier to carry. The 4-section of each height adjustment allows the tripod to be used at different heights and on various surfaces. The tripod can hold up to 7 kgs, which is the maximum. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product details.